Hello, this video is to accompany Assignment 1 in Python. What we're going to look at here is how to set up a variable, how to add data to that variable using the input function, and also print out that data using an F or format string, and just by doing sort of like a question and answer kind of format here. So let's just take a look. So I've got a new program here, and I'm going to create a variable. And so, for example, I could set up name, and I am going to assign it with that single equal sign. And so that's really known as the assignment operator, not as an equal sign, but that's what it is. We'll talk about equal signs later. And what we'll do is we'll just get the user to input something. So we use the input function, and then as you can see there, we need some sort of prompt. And so let's put a question. What is your name? And what I'm going to do is put a little space after that, and then just making sure that my string is within the quotation marks there. Good. So now the user should be able to have that question come up on their screen and then input the name into the name variable. Let's do one more. Let's just have the user put the age in. So age is equal to input, and what is your age? Oops, we'll do the same thing. So now we've got two variables that will accept two pieces of data. So what we want to do next is print that out. And to print that out, we're just going to use the print function. So same format sort of before. We've got print as our keyword, and then we open our set of parentheses here. Now to make it work for the F strings or the formatted strings, I will put an F there, and then start my quote. So what I can do is give a little report. The person's name is, and I'm going to use these little curly braces here, and to put in name. Oops, if I can spell name correctly. So we'll finish it up and then I'll explain it. And I'll put a period. They are, and then we'll put their age, so age, and then we'll say years old. And then we'll end the quotation there. Good. So let's run it and then see how it works, and then we'll sort of dive into a little bit more of an explanation there. So if I hit run, there is the first prompt. So I am allowed to input my name. So we'll put in Fred. Okay, and so what is going to happen there is Fred is going to be assigned to the name variable. I press enter. We don't see anything, but rest assured that that name, that string, Fred, is now assigned to the name variable. Same thing here. What is your age? Well, let's put his age as, let's do 42, the meaning of life. So we put 42 there, press enter again, and then it prints out this here. On line 4, it says print, so the person's name is, and in place of name here, because this is just a placeholder, whatever the name variable holds, we're going to put into there. And since we had entered Fred, that is why Fred is there. They are, and then again, age, right? That's just a placeholder. So the value we placed into age was 42. So therefore 42 is substituted, and we have 42 years old. So in the assignment, right, you have to ask 5 questions and then write that little report. Okay, it would just have to add more variables with more inputs, same format. And then you could just add to your sentence here, making sure that you're in between the opening and closing quotations. All right, so that should get you through assignment 1. Good luck.